Hello dear student. Today we will learn the use of the tool that is called clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool. So let's bring a picture. So from our stored picture we are bringing one particular picture. Suppose we are bringing this bird picture. Let's bring some another picture here. Suppose the picture of cheetah we are bringing. So the picture has come. Now we can make a clone of a particular part of a picture using the clone tool. In Photoshop, there are two types of clone tools. You can right click on this tool and you can see a menu will come with two options: clone stamp tool, pattern stamp tool. So first we will learn how to use clone stamp tool. So first we will click on clone stamp tool, and you can see if you click on clone stamp tool, you can see the brush size will come. You can increase the diameter of the brush, the size of the brush. Suppose we have increased to 172 pixel, or more than that we have suppose 174 pixel we have kept. So you can see that the pixel size is increased. You can see the mouse pointer. If you can select the another one, suppose this part 98 pixel, you can see that the mouse pointer has become small. So now what you have to do, the part of the picture that you want to clone, you place your mouse pointer there and you press alt key. You press alt key and you can see when I'm pressing alt key, a target symbol is coming. You can see I'm moving. Again I'm doing right click on the tool and clone stamp tool. The tool is active now. I'm increasing the diameter of the tool, that means brush size. You can see the brush size has increased a lot. Then I'm placing the mouse pointer at a particular portion of the image that I want to clone, and then press alt. You can see a target symbol has come and you press a click, left click of the mouse. Then you leave the alt button and leave the mouse button, and then you gently move your mouse. You gently move your mouse and you can see that your part of the picture that you want to clone, that particular thing is coming. So you can see very easily that you try to clone a part of the cheetah picture, and that is gradually coming in one part of the image. So you can see, you can take it that two cheetahs are there on the jungle, in the jungle, and they are looking at the back. So like this you can change the entire image together. So if you can consider this, you can see it is looking like the two cheetahs are there. They are like the siblings and they are uh, staring at their prey, and you can see this part. So you can understand just like this you can create a clone of one part of the picture with the help of clone stamp tool. How? You will click on this and you select this. So this is done. Now another cloning is there, that is called pattern stamp tool. So here you can clone the pattern. How? You first right click on this tool, a menu will come. The second option will be pattern stamp tool. You will click on pattern stamp tool. You can see the mouse point is very tiny here. I want to increase the pixel size. Suppose the pixel size is 125, and hardness, we can increase the hardness also, suppose 48%. Then we have to select the pattern. Here the pattern, my dear students, suppose I want to change, you can change the pattern of this pattern you have selected. This pattern you have selected. Now you have to move the pattern. Suppose we want to change the color of the cheetah. So you can see we have selected the pattern, and we can move our mouse pointer on cheetah, the body of the cheetah, and you can see we are only trying to make a clone of the pattern that we have selected on the body of the cheetah. So now I'm gradually moving the mouse pointer on the body of the cheetah, one cheetah. So you can see easily, very easily and very effectively that the body of the cheetah has become changed. And you can see easily that that has been done with the help of pattern stamp tool. So remember, this is also cloning, but it is the cloning of the pattern. It is the cloning of the pattern, my dear student. So you can easily see this part. So this is done. So like this, you can clone either a pattern or a part of the picture within the same image. Okay, so how I am repeating, just to right click on the clone stamp tool. You will have two options, clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool. If you click on the clone stamp tool, you can make the duplicate copy of one part of the image on the same image. Plus you can click on the pattern stamp tool. You can create the clone of a same pattern like this we have created here. So this is all about the two stamp tools, that is a clone stamp tool and pattern stamp tool, and it is all about making the clone either of the part of the picture or the pattern. So you can save it, you can press file and you can save. When you are saving, you need to give the quality 10. You can create yes and your picture will be saved. So this much for dear students. Thank you.